Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. We clicked on the Weather Now link on what continues to be a very active weather pattern. We have a winter weather advisory for inland areas tonight, but it's not because of snow. Not every winter weather advisory is snow related. This one's more of a concern for freezing rain for some. So here's the breakdown for this evening and tonight. Rain and freezing drizzle, some icy roads, especially inland. But what will happen as we get closer to the overnight hours and towards daybreak, rather than the temperature going down, it actually goes up. So by Tuesday morning, this is actually just a plain rainstorm, non-freezing rain above freezing temps, heavy at times. Could even be some minor street flooding. Still have some storm drains that are kind of clogged up with snow and ice, and you know the drill. The water has nowhere to go but up. So just watch for some big puddles and some localized street flooding. Poor visibility during the morning commute, but it doesn't get better. It dries out on a Tuesday afternoon to Tuesday evening. Here's the system that we're tracking. And of course, this one has obviously made national news across Texas and the central part of the country. Severe weather outbreak. Now, we're not getting the kind of extreme winter weather that Texas had, but we will get a little bit of icing this evening and during the overnight. When we take a look at the forecast hour by hour, you see that moisture headed our way. Initially, a freezing rain mix, then going over to plain rain Tuesday morning. The snow is essentially confined to northern New England. An all-out ice storm, though. If you have travel plans north of the Pike, of the Mass Pike, central, western Mass, Berkshires, Hartford West, you're going to run into an ice storm there. But for our area on Tuesday morning, it'll be mainly rain, which should be out of here by the afternoon and into the evening hours. So we'll get in real close and we'll step you through hour by hour, starting off this evening, with little pockets of pink in there indicating some freezing rain or freezing drizzle. Now, here we are on Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. I know a lot of colors on the map. Green, yellow, orange, that represents just plain rain. And look at the wind, southeast at 20. That's not a cold wind direction. Now look at your temperatures at 6 a.m. 42 Providence. Pasco is just getting above freezing at that time, so it's mostly non-freezing rain. Still raining at 9 a.m. And look at these temperatures. A lot of our computer guidance is hinting at temps getting into the lower 50s mid to late morning. And then notice the rain pulling away by noontime. Evening commute looks dry. Fortunately, at 6 o'clock in the evening, during the evening commute, we are still above freezing, upper 30s to low 40s, and then clearing out and then turning colder. Later tomorrow night at 11 o'clock, clear skies. We're back down into the upper 20s. So here's the breakdown for tonight with rain and freezing rain or freezing drizzle. The best way to describe this is that any chances of some icy conditions would be further inland, away from the coastline. And notice overnight and towards daybreak, we're actually, cracking the freezing mark. In fact, by 6 a.m., we're well above the 32. So if you're Tuesday morning, it's actually umbrellas and big puddles and minor street flooding. Look at these temps and well into the 40s with a widespread rain. And then we dry things out during the afternoon hours. So after the early morning rain, we are drier the second half of the day and towards evening. And actually temperatures unseasonably mild with readings topping out in the upper 40s to low 50s. But hold on, winter's not over yet. We are looking at a system for Thursday and Friday. This one will actually start as snow and ice and then go to rain, but we feel as though there may be some accumulations of snow by later Thursday night before the switch to rain. So bottom line, it is an active weather pattern. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in.